Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here with the Z-Grill's pellet grill. Now this is my first time, actually before the first time using, this is how to prepare the Z-Grill's pellet smoker or pellet grill, whatever you want to call it, for the first time use. So I've got it plugged in. I'm going to put in some wood chips. Or I shouldn't say wood chips, I should say wood pellets. And that's a testament to how new I am with the pellet grill at the time of filming this. And you're probably wondering why I'm putting so many, because, well, after I do the initial seasoning, I'm going to start cooking a lot. So subscribe to my channel and check out my Z-Grill's pellet grill smoker video playlist. So now I'm going to close this. I'm going to set the setting over here to smoke. And then we're going to wait for some smoke to start to appear. And ultimately after that does, now obviously keeping the lid open until we start to see the smoke to appear, and then we will once we get that, we're going to turn the heat up and we're going to give it about I don't know, probably almost an hour burn in, because the reason for the burn in is that after assembly you don't want factory greases, factory odors. I mean, it's a brand new grill, and like any grill, you need to, before you cook on it the first time, you got to burn it off. So this is going to give it a good burn in, and it's just going to, I can't wait to cook the first meal on it. So now you can see it's smoking. Now you can either use the knob or you can use the app, and that's the cool thing about this grill. I keep wanting to say smoker because you can smoke with it, you can grill with it. But now what I'm going to do through the app, as you can see here, I'm going to set it to highest temperature, which is 500 degrees. And now I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to let it burn off for about, I don't know, about 50 minutes. And that way I'll get all of those, any of the factory odors, factory flavors, all of that out, and properly season my Z-Grill's pellet grill before the first cook. And the first cook, well, subscribe, check out my Z-Grill's video playlist, and you'll see what it is. It's nothing exotic, but I'm doing it intentionally because I want to really test what type of flavor profile this can create, because there's a lot of other things I could have cooked for my first cook, but that's all I'm going to say. So subscribe, ring that bell, and check out my Z-Grill's video playlist, and you'll get to experience my first cook and then all of my other cooks. And if there's something you would like to see me cook on my pellet grill here, just comment down below and I'll try to cook it within an upcoming video. But this thing is super cool, just a very premium grill, and convenient, because I'm not dealing, and I love charcoal grills, don't get me wrong, but I'm excited to see how I can, I mean, the app is coolness, because I can monitor the temp through Wi-Fi. All this video was about was my initial seasoning of the grill. So I'm burning off all the factory smells. We're going to have a ton of videos. So subscribe, ring that bell, stay tuned. If you're shopping for the grill, any of the accessories, expand this video's description, and then click the link there. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.